to Long Island Girl Talk. My name is Lauren Burke.
My name is Sydney Ramsey.
And my name is Jada Isaac Thomas.
In honor of Black History Month, we will be talking about our sheroes. My hero is Michelle Obama. I feel that Michelle Obama inspires me to be who I can really be to the extent that I want to be. And she is just inspirational to me.
So, who was Michelle Obama?
To me, Michelle Obama is the first African American woman to be in the White House, in the office, to be around all the crazy mayhems that we all know happens in the White House. But besides that, Michelle Obama was a kind, intelligent, smart African American woman who inspired other women and Black people to be their own person and exercise and be healthy. And I feel like that's what Michelle Obama is, who she can be.
Did anybody see a African American woman in office coming?
No, I don't think anybody saw it coming. But the day that Barack Obama, her husband, won was a huge hooray, and just I'm speechless. Michelle Obama is just a huge top one up there. So who's your shero?
My shero is Madam C.J. Walker.
Oh, she's a good one.
Yeah. She invented the first hair product line for African American people.
Cool.
Yeah.
Who's your shero?
My shero is Gabby Douglas. She's the first African American woman to win a gold medal for gymnastics, and it was pretty good. It was a good Olympic show to watch. Nobody actually saw her winning and coming, being African American.
And how does she relate to you?
She is actually the one who got me into doing gymnastics. I've always wanted to do gymnastics, but once I saw her win the gold medal in the Olympics, then it actually inspired me to do gymnastics.
Interesting. How does young girls, African American girls, think about your shero?
I think they can learn to love their hair more, understand how to work with it.
And you? How does your shero inspire young girls?
She was inspirational in the fact that she told other girls to go for their dreams and don't settle for what anybody else thinks.
My shero, I feel that she inspires young girls to, like I said before, be themselves and don't be afraid of what other people think of you and stand up to bullies and just fight your way through life, because life is going to be rough sometimes and you just gotta sail your way through. Why does Madam C.J. Walker relate to you? Is it because you do your own hair or?
Yeah. I had a perm at one point in my life, and my hair was brittle and hard, and I cut all my hair off. Cut it all off.
Wow. Was that hard for you?
Yeah. It was a hard adjustment, but I was happy with my hair. It was healthier. It was mine.
And Gabby Douglas, when you're doing gymnastics, are you afraid you're going to break any limbs or fall or maybe get injured?
I mean, I'm always injured with gymnastics. I'm actually injured right now. And it's actually something I look to her for, because sometimes it's very scary getting up on the apparatuses and doing new skills, but it's something you just have to go for. And some of the skills Gabby does, it's pretty amazing.
Yeah. Do you see yourself becoming a gymnast like Gabby Douglas in the future?
I mean, if I don't break myself anymore, yes.
What products do you use now on your hair?
I use more products like Shea Moisture, Cantu, what else is there? Mixed Chicks, definitely. That stuff is really good. Especially their shampoo, oh my gosh. That's not it.
And if you were Madam C.J. Walker in the late 1950s, what would you do if you were her?
I would definitely do what she did. They didn't have anything for African American hair back then.
Yeah. And would you create shampoo, grease?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Cool. With Michelle Obama, I feel that now she has become and spread her wings more than ever. And you, like, every time you say her name, everyone knows her because of what she's done in the office, how she helped her husband grow, and just the fact that Michelle is just not afraid to be Michelle.
What do you think your show's biggest fears were?
I think Michelle Obama's fears in office was that she would get assassinated, because there was a lot of assassinations back in the day with presidents. And, of course, being the first African-American being in the office, it is scary with all the criticism, all the online hate, the tweets and everything. And I applaud her for staying strong and always having a smile and it's inspiring people when she was going through the same difficult events in her life.
Gabby Douglas probably feared when she thought she was going to have to quit gymnastics. Also because there was just family problems going on, and her mother told her she probably had to quit gymnastics, and she was very upset about that. But in competing gymnastics, she probably feared like breaking herself, because gymnastics is a pretty scary sport, doing the flips and, having a lot of stuff to do.
And Gabby, didn't she have a TV show about herself?
Yes, she did.
How does your hero contribute to you? What do you think, like, she motivated her to do what she did?
I think not having any natural hair products out at the time motivated her to create something that African American people could have to themselves.
Yeah. And who do you think pushed Gabby Douglas to be who she is today? Because do you think it's like her coaches, her family?
It's a mix of both her coaches and her family. Like, watching her on YouTube and watching the Gabby Douglas story on Netflix, I could see that when she started gymnastics, her family was one of her family actually didn't want her to actually start. But once her sister said that her mom should put her in gymnastics, when she went to gymnastics, her family actually saw that she could go somewhere in life with it and pushed her. And her coaches actually helped her family push her more because he saw the potential in Gabby.
Yeah. With Michelle, I feel like she pushes her children to graduate college to be better than what she could have done and who she could become, because Michelle was a lawyer before she was in the office, and she gave up her job for her husband to become president, and actually did pay off, and her daughter's actually doing an outstanding job growing up in the public eye and having encouragement from both her parents to graduate college and do better and be better. If you were Madam C.J. Walker now in 2018, would you have become bigger and better, or would you just stay low key and under the?
I think I would try to expand my brand using social media. Really put myself out there. Try to get everyone to know what I'm trying to do. Support my movement.
With Gabby Douglas, I know there's a lot of online critics going around. How would you handle that if you were her?
Gabby's definitely taking it much better than I would have, because even with the hate and all, she still found a way to push through it and not let it bother her. With me, I probably wouldn't let it bother me.
Hello, we are Long Island Girls Talk, and my name is Anaya Granger.
My name is Jeanette Raymond.
My name is Ryan Daniel.
My name is Jada Scott.
Today we are here to talk to you about our sheroes and how they impacted society and had a big impact on our lives. So, what was your shero?
I did Josephine Baker.
How did she impact your life?
Because I got into women in media.
Me too. I'm doing Maya Angelou, and she was a writer, an actress, and she wrote books, and she inspired me to become better and never give up. What did you do?
I'm doing my mom because she inspires me. I'm doing my mom because she inspires me of going to a really good college, and she helps me out with a lot of things.
I'm doing Oprah Winfrey because she inspires a lot of women and kids to, be yourself and do what you believe in. She has her own network, and it's hard for women to have their own company and their own network. So,
Maya Angelou, she is a person that when she was younger, she was assaulted by her uncle, and after that she was traumatized, so she never spoke. And once she became more active into books and reading reading poems, she came out of her comfort zone and realized that wasn't herself. She started talking, and she was like, no, I'm not gonna let anything or any man try to put me down, or this is not me. So
yeah, Oprah did have a phase in her life as well where she went through sexual assault, and she used her show to bring other people and to talk about it and help them get through it also.
Mm-hmm.
So
doesn't she have a TV show?
Yeah, she has her own network.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So how does your Shiro inspire you in life?
I would say because I'm shy, and whenever I see people just do their thing and look natural, it helps me think I can do too.
That's crazy how it all works. We look up to somebody, and once they do it, it helps us. Yes, yeah. It inspires us.
Do better.
Let's do better. What about you?
Well, my mom is a traveler, and she takes me into a lot of places, so I learn about different places. And she's very inspiring to me.
What does she make you do, inspire you to do? What do you want to do better in your life?
I want to learn different things in the world. Going to England was a really good experience.
Do any of your Shiros and are you guys compared, or are you guys similar?
I use this show as similar to what Oprah is doing, because Oprah has her own show talking about problems, and we have our own show talking about problems. So I do, use her to help me in the show.
What about you? Do you and your mom have a comparison?
Yeah, something similar they do.
Yes and no, because I have personality of my father, and sometimes the personality of my mother. She's a very nice person, and she knows how to speak up for herself. I'm a shy person, and she is very, very outgoing. So.
I'd say no, I'm not so much.
Do you have a reason? Or
no, I don't.
Well, Maya Angelou, since she's a public speaker, she's an actress, she's a writer. When I went to major in performing arts and broadcasting journalism, so she's actually, when I watch her videos or watch her or listen to her poems, actually, she inspires me to become better and do more with myself. And she's an inspiration. One day in life, I want to be an inspiration to many young girls, and to say you don't have to be perfect. Just know that you're beautiful and stuff.
Yeah. Because Oprah, she's one of the richest women in the world, and who would have thought that a black female natural would be the richest person in the world. Mm-hmm. So that's really inspiring to me, and it should inspire a lot of black girls to be themselves, because she worked hard for her position in life, and she's still working hard, and a lot of people love her. So
I remember hearing something. She went somewhere, and this guy was I think she was buying a purse, and it was expensive purse, and this guy the guy who worked there was like, "That's expensive. Are you gonna buy it?" And I just remember thinking, like, who is he?
You have to tell her she can't buy it because of the color of her skin.
Because of the color of her skin.
Yeah.
You don't know. You can't judge people.
That's why Black History Month is important to me and important to everyone, Black people, to show that this is our month and that we're going to embrace ourselves, embrace what we have and how we look, and nobody can tell us anything different.
Yes, and our culture as well.
Yeah.
Do you guys like have, like, do you think your person had like any fear?
I think she had a little, but not. But I think most of the time she was very outgoing and brave.
Mm-hmm. What would be one of her fears?
Huh?
What would be one of her fears?
Like, she was asked to help in civil rights movement, and like she turned it down one time because she didn't want anything to happen to her or her children.
Mm-hmm. What about you?
No, not really. The only thing she fears, I can't really mention. I don't know, really.
I think Oprah did fear people not watching her show because she was Black, people not supporting her because she was Black, and she still did what she had to do so people would watch her show, so I feel like she had a lot of fears. What about Maya Angelou?
I think one of her fear is people putting her down because of her poems. One of her poems is "Phenomenal Woman." She talks about how she should present herself as a woman. Mm-hmm. Like, it's not about the color of her skin; it's the way she walks and the way she talks and the way she speaks. And many people probably look at her like, well, she doesn't look that good. They're probably saying that. But I think Maya Angelou is a very beautiful person. She was a very beautiful person.
Black is beautiful.
Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful.
Yes.
And we are all queens.
Exactly.
All Black are all queens.
Exactly.
And, it's been great talking to you girls about your inspiration. And I have like a lot of insight now, and I'm glad I can like learn more and like see like different point of views on like your person, and your person.
This is Long Island Girl Talk. My name is Jada Scott.
My name is Ryan Daniel.
My name is Anaya Granger.
My name is Janai Raymond. And
we have been talking about our sheroes for Black History Month. Thank you. Did you know girls can make their own show?
We do it.
We are it. We are Long Island Girl Talk.
This year, Long Island Girl Talk is having our first annual Girls Empowerment Conference at Roosevelt Public Library.
On March 17th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Be prepared for our workshops,
for women's history, or trivia games and prizes. And we're filming it to be part of our first documentary. We hope to see you there.